Welcome to Cagliari on the island of Sardinia. In this short video we're going to take you on a very quick tour of the two main tourist attractions to see from the ship if you're only here for a short period, and also give you a quick introduction of Cagliari itself. Well, you've made it off the ship in Cagliari. The short shuttle bus will take you from the ship itself to the port gate entrance. From there you've got two choices. You can either take one of the tourist buses. That will take you for around 15 to 20 euros per person. That will take you off to all the main attractions in Cagliari by the bus, so you don't need to do any walking. It will take you to all the places to have your photo taken as well. Or you can walk along the tree line promenade just over there, and that will also take you off. If you turn left off of that, it will take you up towards our main tourist attractions, which we'll see a little bit later on. Also, earlier to note, we saw some taxis there which are offering private tours. I didn't catch how much they were, and it was also transferred to Poeti Beach, which is just down the road, for 5 euros per person each way, which you could take advantage of as well if you wanted to. Bastide Saint Remy is an impressive and imposing structure of a building situated towards the top of the hill in Cagliari. Now, it's a fairly steep uphill walk to get here, about 15-20 minutes by foot, and fair few steps once you get here, but once you get to the top you're afforded some wonderful views with some fantastic photo opportunities. Duomo di Cagliari, or Cagliari Cathedral, is a dominating 13th century cathedral which overlooks the city itself and Piazza Carlo Alberto, where you can also pick up a wonderful ice cream just below in the sunshine of the square. Thanks for watching this video by Life's a Cruise, and remember, if you like what you've seen, please remember to click, like and subscribe below.